No idea that her dream trip was cancelled because I had just shut it down. She had the nerve to mock me while my parents were secretly robbing me to fund her spoiled lifestyle. I took a deep breath, trying to stay calm. Not yet, Sophia. Let them think everything is fine because the moment they realized what I had done, it was going to be explosive. I sat on the couch, phone in hand, waiting. I knew it wouldn't take long before the storm hit. 15 minutes later, my mom called. I smirked. Right on schedule. I let the phone ring a few times before answering. Hey, Mom. Sophia. What did you do? She shrieked. No hello, no small talk, just straight to the meltdown. I leaned back and crossed my legs. What are you talking about? The card. The payment. It was declined. The travel agency called and they said the transaction was blocked. Emily's trip is ruined. I pretended to be confused. Oh, that? Yeah, I canceled my credit card. Silence. You did what? She finally screamed. I rolled my eyes. Mom, why were you even using my card? More silence,